Haven plus urban farming. This is a video about my watering system that I have in my chicken run for the chickens and the ducks that I have in there. It has 11 poultry cups in it. So a reservoir system which feeds the cups down below it. So I'm going to break it down and show you how I built it. Now this is not going to be a step by step, but I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to break it down how I built it, but I will not be building it in front of you. I'm just going to show you how I built it. Alright, stay tuned for how to build a watering system for your chickens. Alright, as you can see, this is my watering system for my chickens. They are really enjoying it. What it does, it comes up, there's a reservoir up here. It is, I think, around 3.5 gallon. It's a tidy cat. It's been cleaned with distilled vinegar. Make sure that it's not anything in there to hurt the chickens. But anyway, it has a fitting, 3/4 inch fitting that I drilled in the bottom to attach the 3/4 pipe to, that runs down. Let's see if we can zoom in. Runs down to a 3/4 inch elbow, and it runs to a reducer from 1 inch to 3/4. Well, that reducer is inserted into a 1.5 inch coupling for PVC. Then you have a schedule 40. You want to get schedule 40 and not the thin pipe, but schedule 40. And it's approximately about 5 foot long, and I spaced them apart every 5 inches. I have 11 in there, so this is just a piece of pipe I had, and on the end I just got a regular cap, 1.5 inch cap. I've got 1.5 inch pipe for electrical pipe strapping to hold it in place. These poultry cups I bought online on Amazon, 12 for $10. Bought 12 for $10.99, and I used a 3/8 bit and threaded them in. So it was simple. You do not have to use a threader. I used a threader to do mine, but I tried one without threading it, and you was able to put it in there. You just have to use a little bit of elbow grease, but it works good. I'll show you how it works. I'll zoom in on this cup here, and I'll show you what happens. Well, what it does is when they tap this, it fills up with water. Now it's sturdy, it's easy to clean. You just twist it and pull it off, and you just kind of run it and kind of flush it out. I'll do this one. It's dirty, so just rinse it out. Put it back in. You just a little bumping of it, and they fill up. Just they take it with their beak, and voila, there you go. So that's how they work, and they love it, enjoy it, and as you can see, my ducks love their little bathing thing. I have to change it out every day. And they dirty it. I'm telling you, it is dirty. But anyway, this is my system. I enjoy coming out here and watching them. And there they are, there up under the coop, hiding from me where I can't get to them. But anyway, well, this is Craig with Ponics Haven Plus Urban Farming. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and share the videos. This is how I get to build some of this stuff by the money that I make off this, and you know, making more videos and doing more things like this. I get to do some of the things I like, and I get to bring it to you how I built them. So please continue sharing them and liking, and just subscribe, and thank you for all your support and help. And if you have any questions, just comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much. God bless you.